back to my channel. I'm Lexi Nardoni, and you haven't seen me in a while. I took some time off of YouTube. I don't know. I just didn't feel like filming YouTube videos. I don't really feel like I need to give an explanation, but now we're back because I'm traveling. I'm just excited. I want to vlog it for you guys. We're going with my sister, and she doesn't have to be in the vlog, but she doesn't care if I vlog. So today I wanted to do like a little pre-trip thing where I show you what I packed for this trip. I was watching a Delaney Child YouTube video the other day, and she said that she likes to do for like long trips is like take pictures of outfits and just have pictures of them already styled and planned. And I thought that'd be a good idea because I've literally been doing stuff every weekend up until this trip and I have no time to think. I'm going to show you all the outfits for this trip, and then there's going to be another video kind of like this. Maybe just like a packing vlog, maybe even more informal than this. For 3 days after I get back from this trip, I go on a road trip. So Europe and then the Pacific Northwest road trip is basically what's happening. Really exciting. I'm graduating my master's degree. That's why I'm going back to Europe. So I'm just filming really informally. You guys are on my vlog camera right now. Usually I put up my big nice DSLR camera for like a sit-down video, but I just need to get through this because like I said, I'm always busy now. I have a job now, you know, life. And if you want to keep more up to date with me, you can follow me on TikTok or Instagram. I'm a lot more active on there, guys. I'm gonna be looking at the pictures on my phone and you guys will see it. We're gonna go with the first outfit that I didn't style because it's like, everyone's like, you didn't pack enough clothes, you need to pack more clothes or else you're not gonna have enough. I'm like, Mom, I already planned out all my outfits. But this outfit kind of just included one other item. I already was packing the jeans, jacket, and boots. So just like plain tee, jeans, my leather jacket. I feel like this will just be like casual, maybe like one of the travel days, going on a train one of the days, so maybe that. Now I kind of low-key picked out what I'm wearing in each place, so we're gonna go over that. So we're gonna be going to Paris, and then Italy, Piacenza, and Milan because I have to go to graduation, and then we're gonna stay in Milan because my sister's never gone there, and then we're gonna go to Amsterdam. I'm so excited for Amsterdam. But first, Paris. Here is one of the first outfits I was thinking of wearing in Paris. Super cute mini skirt, you know, turtleneck. I know I will not look Parisian. I'm gonna look like a total tourist, but I think it's cute with some tights. I didn't want to put them on in the pictures, so imagine all these outfits with like sheer tights. It's gonna be the warmest in Paris while we're there, even though it's gonna be like 50 degrees, but I like this skirt and I want pictures in front of the Eiffel Tower in this outfit. So yeah. The pieces in this outfit, I think I should tell you guys that. Shirt is Old Nasty Gal, skirt is Free People, and then the boots are the Doc Marten platforms. And then my bomber leather jacket that you'll be seeing in all of these pictures it's my mom's, who got it from my grandpa. So vintage. Okay, what's the other oh, I wanted to wear this. The only dress that I am bringing. This cute dress I thrifted in Seattle. I'm obsessed with it. I haven't gotten to wear it. I wear it with a little bodysuit under. And then I paired it with the bomber and then my Doc Martens. I thought this would just be cute. Kind of just girly in Paris. I kind of want to like romanticize it and be like, ooh. And then I did pack a going out outfit. I can also do other outfits with some other pieces, like different combinations, but we might be going out. We'll be in the weekend for Paris, so I picked this outfit. Super cute, right? I mean, I didn't style it that well, but I want to wear that shirt and then that skirt. And I just wasn't sure about the socks, but I didn't know what to wear. Maybe my docs would look better with that. I think this would be cute to go and get like a little bar in the French. Merci beaucoup. Top is from Amanda Steele. I feel like they're almost sold out, so if you like that shirt, go get it. Skirt, Free People, and then the shoots are Ladier, and same with the socks. So yeah, so that's for Paris, and then we go to Milan and Piacenza. So that day, the travel day, I think I'm gonna wear this. Super simple, warm. I love that vest. The top is the Nasty Gal, then the vest is Anthropology, and the jeans are Free People, and the shoes are the Ladier shoes. And I thought this would just be cute, kind of preppy. I wanted to be a little preppy for it because then I'm gonna wear this for graduation. I don't think I'm gonna vlog at graduation, but this outfit will be cute. I love these pants from Anthropologie. They're flowy, they're cute, and then just with the same Nasty Gal top and then my Latier shoes. The next day we are going to Amsterdam, so this will be my travel fit slash during the day. Another kind of like actually pretty similar to the other travel day outfit. Super comfy pants because those pants are flowy, and then the sweater vest again, and then that undershirt, the turtleneck, is from Princess Polly.
Guys, I swear, if I'm not looking at the camera and I'm like looking above, it's because I'm not used to it. I'm sorry. We're getting back into it. We're getting back into vlogging and taking videos.
But yeah, I thought this would be super cute. Kind of preppy again. Alright, and the last two outfits. Amsterdam. So this is, I think I'm gonna wear this for the full day in Amsterdam. We're gonna go do a couple of things and like the Van Gogh and all of that. So I thought that'd be cute. I also might switch out some of these like for different places. You never know. Just go watch the vlog and you'll see what I wear wherever I wear them. But it's super cute. This sweater, I do not know where it's from. One of my friends gave it to me. He didn't want it anymore. I think it's like cashmere. It's super nice. And then the same skirt from Free People. I love those skirts. I have it in green also. I also want to get that skirt in black. They just didn't have my size, but you should definitely get them. It's a skirt, so it has shorts over. And then my Latier socks and shoes. Super cute. And then the last day, we're in like Amsterdam for the morning, and then we go to Paris again at night. So this outfit, I was like channeling Parisian vibes and Amsterdam. And it's this. I know so it's gonna be cold, but whatever. Cute skirt from Free People, top from Princess Polly, the leather jacket, the boots. It's gonna be so cute. I am excited for all these outfits, and I'm so excited to go. And I'm going with my sister, and I'm graduating, and it's gonna be so fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got some outfit like inspo and all of that, and I hope you guys want to subscribe and see the vlogs. My vlogs are a lot more fun, and I actually look at the camera into your eyes and not at myself. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
A lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.